Welcome to the Sardis, Tennessee and western paradise of Honeysuckle Farm. This tour has been brought to you by TonyNeill.com, an auction copy production. Join us as we tour this very versatile and uniquely private 91-acre estate. You will want to call Honeysuckle Farm home. Come on in and enjoy this charming 3-bedroom, 2-bath rancher with its unique cozy suites, formal dining area, and private cozy living area. A bonus area with a private separate entrance makes the perfect office space or recreational area. The property features 3 ponds as well as frontage on 1 freshwater creek. Imagine yourself fishing, farming, hunting, or just enjoying the beautiful wildlife in western Tennessee, only steps from your front door. The cozy, inviting great room features a vaulted ceiling and a beautiful built-in fireplace. Easy access to this farm family-sized kitchen makes for the perfect combination for those special weekend gatherings. Outdoor buildings and storage areas have already fitted this farm for great farming production. The 42 by 80 livestock barn also houses a full loft apartment, perfect for entertaining weekend guests. The modern barn is complete with livestock stalls, storage areas, and livestock handling areas. Honeysuckle Farm is minutes from the Tennessee River and the White Oak Wildlife Preserve, making this the perfect farming operation as well as a sportsman paradise. Honeysuckle awaits your private showing. Contact Tony Neill or Melanie Eifling for your appointment today.